अभी पहले तो आ रही थी, अभी आ तो रही है। हेलो। आ रही है। मैं चेक कर लूँ, यूट्यूब पे आ रही है। हेलो। यस, आई होप सभी को आवाज जो है वो आ रही हो। आवाज नहीं आ रही इसमें? हेलो। आ रही है? कम आ रही है आवाज ना? आवाज कम है। हेलो हेलो जी। चलो स्टार्ट। स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो।
इसको आप वो लेंगे ना इमेजेस
तो आप लेंगे स्क्रीनशॉट।
वो लैपटॉप में लगाओ तो इनके साथ आएगा ना देखो मैं करवा दूंगा इसको।
आवाज कम आ रही है उस पे। ठीक है हाँ जी। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा जो चैप्टर है वो है रेशो। ओके, थोड़ा सा फॉर्मेलिटीज 1-2 मिनट में हो जाए, उसके बाद हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। सभी टाइप्स के क्वेश्चन जो है वो कवर करेंगे हम। ओके, आई होप आवाज सबको क्लियर है। अभी आ रही शायद आवाज ठीक से ना। बट लो है। ओके, लो साउंड। ओके, एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं। ओके, वेरी लो आवाज। ओके, लेट्स चेक। जस्ट 1 मिनट दीजिए, थोड़ा सा चेक कर रहे हैं। हेलो। ओके, अब भी सही है। लैग है। ओके, अब भी सही है। अभी शायद सही है। यस। ओके, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फिर हम आज की क्लास। रेडी हैं सभी? हम्म, अच्छा। परफेक्ट। ओके, ओके। तो डियर स्टूडेंट, हमारा सबसे पहले जो टॉपिक है वो है, हम थोड़ा सा रेशो के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। आई होप आपको क्या, यस ये लगा हुआ है। थोड़ा सा रेशो के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। आई होप क्या इशू है। हेलो। यस, अभी आवाज क्लियर है? अभी क्लियर है सर? हम्म, अभी क्लियर है? ओके, चलिए। हो गया स्क्रीनशॉट? हम्म, चलो मैं स्टार्ट करूं फिर। ओके, तो डियर स्टूडेंट, सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे रेशो होती क्या है। ओके, वेरी गुड। बेसिकली इसमें जो भी नंबर है उसकी जो शॉर्ट फॉर्म है, ठीक है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? रेशो। ओके, क्लियर मैम? ओके, जो भी शॉर्ट फॉर्म है हमारे पास नंबर्स की, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? रेशो। और ये हमारे पास जो है वो प्रपोर्शन का साइन है। ओके, ये साइन किसका है? प्रपोर्शन का। इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, इक्वल टू, राइट। प्रपोर्शन का मतलब क्या होता है, जब दो रेशोज इक्वल होती है, व्हेन टू रेशोज आर इक्वल, when two ratios are equal, then it is called proportion. Okay, so let's start with this question. Like in this question, these two ratios are in proportion. Okay, because this double column, this is called equal to sign. So can we find the value of x? Can we find the value of x? So this, how we can write this, 0.75 divided by x is equal to, because this sign we can write it as equal to, is equal to 5 by 8. Okay. So dear students, can you tell me after cancellation which option will be the right? After cancellation, what will be the answer? Okay, 0.75 you can write as 75 by 100. Okay, please increase sound. Sound पता नहीं क्यों clear कम है. सीधा बोल. Hello. Yes, so we can cancel this 75 and 100. Okay. After cancellation, जो हमारा आंसर है, what will be the answer, dear students? It will be x is equal to, and x will be 6 by 5. It will be 1.2. Okay, very nice, Vamshi Krishna, 1.2, बिल्कुल सही. I hope now the sound is clear. No. Please tell me the sound is clear now. I hope now the sound is clear. सर के टाइम तो सही आ रही है. Sound is clear now. ठीक है ना? Okay. Yes. Now the next one is, we have the question based on proportional also. Okay, types of proportional, right? So the first one is fourth proportional. Yes. Now the next one is, we have the question based on proportional also. Types of proportional, right? So the first one is fourth proportional. So what is fourth proportional? When A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, then this D is called fourth proportional. Okay. So like if I write here A by B is equal to C by D, then this D is called fourth proportional. Okay, because in the exam question comes that find the value of fourth proportional. Okay. right? Now, what is third proportional? In the third proportional, these two values are equal, like B and B is equal. Okay. So A by B is equal to B by C, right? And this C is called third proportional. The third proportional, these two values are equal, like B and B is equal. B by B equal to. Crystal clear? And this C is called third proportional. Okay. I hope this is clear. Okay. And the third one is mean proportional. Okay. See, mean is the mid value, so means we have to find the B. Cross multiply this, B square will be equal to AC, right? So what is the value of B? It is root AC. वॉइस का कह रहे हैं सभी. है यहाँ से. अच्छा, मैम कह रहे हैं मुझे मैम को एंटर करोगे आप? Yes, dear students, I hope the voice is clear now. सर एक बार चेक करना भी ठीक है. So dear students, I hope now the voice is clear. क्या करें सोल्यूशन इसको? Hello. Dear students, just wait for 2-3 minutes. We are checking the voice. Okay. Just wait for 2-3 minutes. We are checking the voice. आ रही है आवाज? बहुत कम आ रही है. फायदा नहीं है कोई. इशू क्या आ रहा है? सर की तो ठीक आ रही थी, है ना? यस, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अभी वॉइस क्लियर है? ये वाली ठीक है, ओके। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। So what we are doing about the mean proportional, right? So how to find the mean proportional? It is B is equal to under root of AC. Okay. Now let's do the questions based on fourth proportional, third proportional, and mean proportional. Okay. The first question is based on fourth proportional. So dear students, whenever the fourth proportional will be given, you have to find three values will be given. Okay. So the three values, it is 5, 8, and 15, right? So it will be 5 by 8, okay? A by B is equal to 15 by D, okay? So can you cancel and can you find what is the value of D, which is fourth proportional? Dear students, what is the value of B? You can cancel this 5 and 15, okay? So the value of D will be 24, right? So this B will be the right answer. I hope this is clear. Excellent. All of you giving the answer. Very nice. Now let's move to the next question, dear students. Next question is third proportional. Okay, dear students. Whenever the third proportional is asked, two values will be given. Okay. ऋषिकेश ये भी एग्जाम में आएंगे. So how can you write it? 9 by 12 is equal to 12 by C. Okay. So A by B will be equal to B by C, right? So this B and B will be same. Can you tell me the answer in this question? So you can cancel with the 3. Okay. So what is the final answer? Excellent, Piyush Kumar. The answer will be 16. Okay. Third proportional will be 16. Excellent. Prince Kumar. Excellent. Now the next one is find the mean proportional. Okay. So dear students, how to find the mean proportional? It is B square is equal to under root AC. Okay, so two values will be given to you. A is 36 and the C is 25. So what is the value of B? Okay, what is the value of B here? Can you tell me the answer? It is under root of 36 into 25. What is the 36 root? It is 6. And what is the 25 root? It is 5. So B will be 30. Okay, option C will be the right answer. Right, Abhishek Shukla, Khushi Sharma, Rishikesh, Prince, all giving the right answer. Great. Okay. Okay, so dear student, just 1 minute. Let me enter the other students also. Mhm. Done. So dear students, just 1 minute. Done. मैं थोड़ा सा लेट है ना जी आयुष सिंह ओके वेरी नाइस आयुष सिंह मैनुद्दीन बिल्कुल जी अभी आगे क्वेश्चंस करते हैं चेरोन ओके उसके बाद सबके नाम लेंगे ओके जस्ट एक फोटो खींच लें उसके बाद जो है आगे क्वेश्चन हम कंटिन्यू करते हैं डियर स्टूडेंट्स हम इसमें काफी टाइप्स के जो क्वेश्चन है कवर करेंगे ना तो इतना सबको क्लियर हो गया फोर्थ प्रोपोर्शनल कैसे निकालते हैं थर्ड प्रोपोर्शनल कैसे निकालते हैं मीन प्रोपोर्शनल कैसे निकालते हैं अब डियर स्टूडेंट कई बार एग्जाम में इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन भी आ जाते हैं जिसमें पूछा जाता है डुप्लीकेट रेशो बताओ ओके डुप्लीकेट रेशो डियर स्टूडेंट्स क्या होती है कोई भी रेशो आपको दी हो ठीक है उसका जो स्केयर होगा उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं डुप्लीकेट रेशो ओके उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं डुप्लीकेट रेशो जैसे कि हमने 3:4 की अगर डुप्लीकेट रेशो निकालनी हो तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट वी विल डू वी विल जस्ट स्केयर ओके व्हाट इज द स्केयर ऑफ 3 इट इज 9 व्हाट इज द स्केयर ऑफ 4 इट इज 16 so what is the duplicate ratio of 3:4 it is 9:16 जी शिबू तिवारी duplicate ratio so dear student answer will be 9:16 can you tell me the duplicate ratio of 4:7 everyone can you tell me the duplicate ratio of 4:7 yes Sheikh Aman in the duplicate ratio we have to do the square okay like this 3 and 4 is given what is 3 square it is 9 what is 4 square it is 16 so the duplicate ratio of 3:4 is 9:16 okay very nice all are giving the answers Harry Sharon Rishikesh Misty excellent okay so what is the 4 square it is 16 what is the 7 square it is 49 so duplicate ratio of 4:7 will be 16:49 okay so dear student when it is written sub so what you will do square root okay what you will do square root like for example you have to find the sub duplicate ratio of 16 and 36 okay so what you have to do you have to take the square root okay square root so what is the sub duplicate ratio of 16 and 36 can you tell me what is the 16 square root it is 4 what is 36 square root okay what is the square root of 36 it is 6 so the answer is 4:6 okay right Vamsi Krishna Misty Shibu Tiwari excellent okay so dear student just check these are the few terms few types of ratio Okay, just check it. In the duplicate, you do square. In the subduplicate, you do square root. Okay. In the triplicate, you will do the cube. Okay, cube of that numbers. Like if I want to find the triplicate ratio of 2:3, if I want to find the triplicate ratio of 2:3, it will be 8:27. Okay, because 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27, right? And same if you want to find the sub triplicate. Okay, if you want to find the sub triplicate, you have to do the cube root. Okay, 1/3 means cube root, right? Sandhya, Armandeep Singh Mishra. Okay, very nice. So, dear student, just in 1 minute, check these 4 types, and we'll move further. Okay, so clear about this. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Find the duplicate ratio of 3:4. So, dear student, can you tell me the duplicate ratio of 3:4? Tell me the answer in chat box. All of you tell me the answer. What is the duplicate ratio of 3:4? Option C, right, Rishikesh? Okay, 9:16. Okay, all of you giving the same answer, right? Great. What is the sub triplicate ratio of 64:125? Sub triplicate, when it is sub, okay, it will be root, and when it's triplicate means cube root. Can you tell me what is the sub triplicate ratio of 64:125? Excellent, all of you giving the right answers. Okay, so what is 64 cube root? It is 4. And what is 125 cube root? It is 5. Okay, so the answer of sub triplicate, it will be 4:5. Okay, right? Bobby, Pradeep. Okay, all of you giving Anushka, yes one. Okay, Darinder Singh, Abhishek Shukla, all of you giving the right answer. Great. Okay, very nice, dear students. Excellent. Now, dear students, now let's come to the next type of questions like this. Now, ratio of P and Q is given. Okay, P ratio Q is 9:7. See, this is given in ratio, not actual, and their difference is given 40. We have to find the value of P. Okay, so dear students, you can take the first value as 9x because it is in ratio. So when you take out of ratio, you have to take some variable. Okay, and the second number, dear student, you can take 7x. Okay, now the difference is given 40. Okay, so what is the difference of 9x and 7x? It is 2x. Okay, and the 2x is equal to 40. Okay, my dear students, all of you giving the right answer. Excellent. So what is the value of x here? X is equal to 20. Okay, x is equal to 20. So what is the value of p? P is 9x. Okay, 9 times x. So 9 into 20. 9 into 20, the answer will be 180. Okay, excellent. सबके आंसर आ रहे हैं. शिवा तिवारी ऑप्शन सी, हैरी ऑप्शन सी, मनी Mr. Sony option C, बिल्कुल 180. Okay, and if we have to find the value of Q, it is 7x. Okay, so 7 into 20, dear students, 7 into 20, what is the value of Q here? It is 140. Okay, so P value is 180, Q value is 140. Priyarni, Harry, Shobit Kumar. Okay, all of you giving the right answer. I hope now the voice is clear and everything is okay, right? Student, let's move to the next question. These are very important type of questions. Okay, very important type of questions where we have to find the combined ratio. Okay, so dear students, how to find the combined ratio. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, so P ratio Q is 2 ratio 3. Okay, Q ratio R is 2 ratio 3, and we have to find P ratio Q ratio R. Okay, I'm saying again, this is very, very important. Okay, this is very, very important. Now see, let me write here. I will tell you with the basic approach. We have the shortcut also, but let me explain with the basic approach. So first of all, this Q should be same. Okay, D option, very nice. This Q must be same. Here the Q is 3, here the Q is 2. So dear students, whenever we combine these two, okay, this common number should be same. Okay, this Q must be same. So we can make it same, right? We will multiply this by 2, okay, and we will multiply this with 3. Right, dear students? All of you giving the answer D. ठीक है माधव, एक बार ट्राई करो. ठीक है, समझने का एक बार ट्राई करो माधव. So dear student, after multiplying with 2, what is the new ratio? It is 4 ratio 6. Okay, and here what is the new ratio? It is 6 ratio 9. Right? So dear students, now here Q is 6 and here Q is 6. Now you can combine because now it is same. Okay, so what is the final answer? It is 4 ratio 6 ratio 9. Option D. जी प्रियानी ऑप्शन डी, प्रदीप ऑप्शन डी, पीयूष एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा ट्राई कर रही हूँ मैं. जसवंत ऑप्शन डी, परी ऑप्शन डी, अंशुमान यादव ऑप्शन डी. एक्सेलेंट. ओके, तो डियर स्टूडेंट, जी चरण ऑप्शन डी. बिल्कुल. एक क्वेश्चन अब आपके लिए है. ओके, वन क्वेश्चन इज फॉर यू. जस्ट टेल मी व्हाट इज द combined ratios. All of you try this. Okay, Harry is the first. Great, Harry. So dear students, let's see how to solve this question. Okay, first of all, P ratio Q is 1 ratio 2, R ratio Q is 2 ratio 3. Okay, first of all, please check what is the same number. Okay, like here the same element is Q. Okay, Q is present here also, Q is present here also, right? So P ratio Q, it is 1 ratio 2. Okay, dear student, we can reverse it. Yes or no? We can reverse it. So this will be Q ratio R. Okay, Q ratio R is 3 ratio 2. Okay, now whenever we have to combine this PQR, this Q must be same. Here the Q is 2, here the Q is 3. So our first approach is to make this Q same. Okay, so dear student, this you will multiply by 3. Okay, this ratio you will multiply by 3 and this ratio you will multiply by 2. Okay, why? To make the Q same. Okay, answer आ रहे हैं हमारे पास. Great. So after multiplying by 3, what is the new ratio here? It is 3 ratio 6, dear students. Okay, and what is the new ratio here? It is 6 ratio 4. Okay, so now when you combine this, okay, this is P, this is Q, okay, this is Q, this is R. If you combine, what is the PQR? It is 3 ratio 6 ratio 4. Okay, but dear student, what is the question? The question is QRP. Means first you have to take Q, then you have to take R, and then you have to take P. Okay, so it means the answer will be 6 4 3. Option C. Okay, Khushi Sharma, Manudin, Prince Kumar, Anshuman, Priyani. Okay, very nice. सभी के आंसर, ऑल ऑफ यू और पीछे भी सभी ने आंसर सही दिया. एक्सेलेंट. Okay, very good. Okay, so dear student, these questions were based on combined ratio. Yes, Harry Gaming, Sandhya, Mishra Prince, excellent. Kushish Sharma, very nice. Okay, so dear student, I hope up to this it is clear to all. Please thumbs up if it is clear to all. Any doubt, question, query here up to now? Okay, Let's do one more question of the combined ratio. Okay, and then we'll move to the statement type of questions. Okay, so dear students, now we have the four ratios. Okay, x ratio y ratio z, z ratio a, and we have to combine. Okay, we have to combine this. So dear student, first you will combine xy yz, and after that you will combine yz and za. Okay, so if I tell you with the basic approach, here y is 4, okay, and here y is 8. So we have to make this y same. Okay, let me write here, we have to make this y same. Okay, so what we can do, we can multiply this by 2, so that this y will also become 8. Okay, so after multiplying by 2, the answer, the new ratio is 6 ratio 8. Okay, so x ratio y, it is 6 ratio 8. What is y ratio z? It is 8 ratio 9. Right, dear students? Now, what is x ratio y ratio z? Okay, what is x ratio y ratio z? It is 6 ratio 8 ratio 9. Okay, right, dear students? 6 ratio 8 ratio 9. Now we have to combine this also. Okay, z ratio a. We have to combine this also. So, if we want to combine this, so dear student, we have to make this z same. Okay, here z is 9 and here z is 15. Okay, so can we make it same? Here z is 9 and here z is 15. So dear student, can we make it same? Yes, yes, one answer is right. Okay, how can we make it same? We can make both 45, right? So this you will multiply by 5. Okay, 9 multiply 5, it is 45, and this will multiply with 3. Okay, to make it 45. So now what is the new ratio here? Okay, it is 6 into 5, 30. Okay, 8 ratio 8 into 5, it is 40. 9 ratio 5, it is 45, right? And here after multiplying by 3, it is 45 ratio 48. Okay, so dear student, if you combine, the right answer is B. And I will tell you the short approach of this also. Okay, this is the basic approach. Okay, there is a option method approach. Okay, by looking into the options only you can find the answer. How? See, here x is the multiple of 3. x किसका multiple है? 3 का. And the y is the multiple of 4. Check the option which option first one is multiple of 3 and the second is multiple of 4. You can see only in the B option. Yes or no? Only in the B option, x is the multiple of 3 and y is the multiple of 4. Yes or no? And here A is the multiple of 16. So multiple of 16, here it is 48. Right? Yes. So is it clear with the option method also? Tell me, dear students. Let's, yes, Piyush. Rishikesh, clear? Okay. So dear student, you can try this with the option method also, right? Now we'll move to the next slide. Okay. Now, see this question, dear student. P ratio R, it is 3 ratio 5. Okay. P ratio R, it is 3 ratio 5. Which is the following value of P? Okay. See, in the ratio, it is 3 unit. So its value will also be the multiple of 3 now. So audience, all the students in the audience, please tell me which is the possible value of P. We are getting the answer. Misty Sony, C answer. Rishikesh Rishabh, 12, right. Anshuman, C option, exactly. Misty Sony, C option, right. So dear student, this P will be the multiple of 3. So we have only one option which is the multiple of 3. So answer will be 12. Right? Excellent. Great, dear students. Let's move to the next question now. Now these type of questions, okay, where the percentage is there, and let me tell you the smart approach of this question. Okay, can you give me the answer? I want first you try. Can you try this question? A is 60% of B and B is 40% of C. We have to find A ratio C. Okay, so dear students, whenever it is percentage, okay, whenever the question based on percentage, you can assume the value of C 100. Okay, why 100? Because 100 is a simple number. It's easy to calculate percentage of 100. Okay, so dear student, we can take C is equal to 100. What will be B? B is 40% of C. Okay, can you tell me what is the 40% of 100? What is the 40% of 100? It is 40. Okay, that's why we taken the number 100. Okay, now A is 60% of B. Okay, A is 60% of B. So dear students, can you tell me what is the 60% of 40? Okay, 40 का 60% कितना होगा? Okay, we know that 10% of 40 is 4. Okay, 10% of 40 is 4, so the 60% will be 24. Okay, so we got the value of A, B and C. The question is find the A ratio C. Okay, right, Menuddin, Tiarni, Misty, Soni, all of you giving the right answer. Around 40. Excellent. Okay, so dear student, we have to find the 24 ratio 100. Okay, so 24 ratio 100, if you cancel, right, on the table of 4, it is 6 ratio 25. Okay, so dear student, right option is C. Clear to all? Deep, Pradeep, Abhishek, Chukla, Priyarni, Mishra, Prince, Mishri, Soni, Pari. Excellent. Okay, C option is right. Let's move to the next question, dear students. Anchuman, right. Okay, next question is ratio is given and we have to find the ratio. Okay, just see one thing. When the ratio is given, okay, means not exact value is given and we have to find the ratio, so direct put the value. Okay, direct, you can directly put x is equal to 2, students, and y is equal to 3, right? So all of you put the value here, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, and tell me the answer, all of you. Okay, x is equal to 2, 3 multiply 2 here plus 2 multiply 3. Okay, and divided by 2 multiply 2 plus 5 multiply 3. Okay, so dear student, what is the final answer? Shobit Kumar. Shobit Kumar answer is 12 into 19. Pradeep option C. Misty option C. Excellent. Okay, very nice. So the right answer is option C. Rishikesh, Abhishek Shukla. Okay, I'm trying मैं सबके नाम लूं, ठीक है? Excellent. Vamsi Krishna, Piyush, very nice. Okay, excellent, dear students, wonderful. Okay, so slowly we are covering all the questions. Okay, C. Okay, very nice. Sandhya, Sumit Singh, option C. Excellent. Okay, now let's move to this question, dear student. I will tell you the short approach of this question. Okay, first let me tell you what is the basic approach. Okay, see, the basic you will find A by B, B by C. Okay, that is very lengthy. Okay, what is the short approach? See, can anyone tell me what is the LCM of 2, 3 and 4? Anyone in the audience? Can you tell me the LCM of 2, 3, 4? Any student? What is the LCM of 2, 3, 4? It is how much? 12. Okay. Yes, Abhishek Shukla. 12. Charon, Misty, bilkul. It is 12. So what you will do, just divide the each number with 12. Just divide the each number with the LCM. Okay. So if you divide this with the, it is LCM, it is how much value it is? 6. Okay. After cancellation, how much value here? 4. And what is the value here? 3. So what is the answer? 6 ratio 4 ratio 3. Very simple. Okay, so in these type of question, what you can do, just take the LCM of 2, 3, 4. Okay, why we take the LCM? Because LCM will be cancelled by all. Okay, LCM will be cancelled with the 2 also, with the 3 also, with the 4 also. Okay, and after cancellation we get 6, 4 and 3. So that is A ratio, B ratio, C. Right, dear students? Sandhya, Menudeen, Aman Saxena, bilkul right. Okay, option D. So dear student, I will give you one more question of this type. Just do this with this way. Okay, all of you give me the answer. 3A is equal to 4B is equal to 5C. Dear student, tell me the answer. What is A ratio, B ratio, C? Let's see who give the first answer. 3A is equal to 4B is equal to 5C. रिफ्रेश नहीं किया अभी ना. Okay, let's see who gives the first answer. All of you try this. Okay, the first answer comes from Rishikesh. Misty Sony, second answer. Okay, so dear student, the procedure is same. We'll find the LCM of 3, 4 and 5, dear students, and we'll divide with it. Okay, what is the LCM of 3, 4 and 5? Okay, see, there is nothing common in 3, 4, 5. So just multiply all the numbers. Okay, 3 multiply 4, it is 12. 12 multiply 5, it is 60. So the LCM will be 60. Okay, now we'll divide each by 60. Okay, because with the LCM, every number will be divisible. Okay, so we'll divide with the 60. So after dividing with 60, it is 20. Okay, it is 15. Okay, and it is 12. So dear student, you give the right answer. Nitesh, Manudin, Piyush, Priyarni. Okay, Prashuk, Vamsi Krishna, excellent. All of you giving the right answer. 20 ratio, 15 ratio. Yes, Aman Saxena. LCM of 3, 4, 5 is 60 and the answer is 20 ratio 5, 15 ratio 12. Right? Excellent. Now, dear student, let's move to the next question. Okay. The next question is related to coins. Right? Let me explain this step by step. So, in a bag, there are coins of 25 paise, 10 paisa, and 5 paisa. Okay, let me write here 25 paisa, okay, 10 paisa, and 5 paisa. Okay, in what ratio the coins are? 1 ratio, 2 ratio, 3. Okay, so let me write here 1 ratio, 2 ratio, 3. Okay, so dear students, in this ratio the coins are given, and the coins of 25 paisa, 10 paisa, and the 5 paisa. Okay, so if I take out of the ratio, you can take it as 1x. Okay, you can take it as 2x because I'm taking it out of ratio, right? And you can take it as 3x. Okay, dear students. Shobit Kumar, 150 answer, right? Okay. So dear students, 25 paisa, how many coins? 1x. Okay. 10 paisa, how many coins? 2x. Okay. 5 paisa, how many coins? 3x. Right? And total money is rupees 30. Okay. What is the total money? Rupees 30. So dear student, we have two approaches. Either you can convert everything into paisa or you can convert everything into rupees, right? So I'm doing this by converting everything into paisa. Okay, so 25 पैसा 1x coins, ठीक है, अगर आपके पास 25 पैसे के 1x coins है तो वो टोटल कितने पैसा बनाएंगे, टोटल कितनी मनी बनाएंगे? 25x. Yes or no? 25x plus. If I have 10 paisa and it is 2x coins, okay, 10 paisa and 2x coins, then overall it is how much money? It will be 10 into 2x. 10 into 2x, it will be 20x. Right, dear students? It will be 20x. Plus, if I have 5 paisa 3x coins, okay, 5 paisa 3x coins, then how much money it will make overall? 5 paisa 3x coins, 15x. Okay, 5 into 3x, 15x. And this complete money is equal to rupees 30. Okay, rupees 30 in paisa it will be 3000. Okay, dear student, in paisa it will be 3000. Can you tell me the value of x? Dear student, if you solve this equation, can you tell me what is the value of x? All of you give me the answer. Pari 150. Nice, Pari. Danish, option D. Danish, option D is not right. Okay, so 50. Yes, Abhishek Shukla, right. Okay, 50 because this is 25 plus 20, it is 45. 45 plus 15, it is 60. Okay, so 60x is equal to 3000. Okay, 60x is equal to 3000, so x will be 50. So dear student, if x is 50, then how many 5 paisa coins? It is 3x. Okay, if x is 50, Piyush Kumar, then what will be the value of 3x? It is 3 into 50. Okay, 3 into 50, it will be 150. Okay, so Mishra Prince, Kushish Sharma, Prashant Jain, okay, Priyarni, Anshuman, Aman Saxena, Pari, Piyush, Manudeen, Abhishek Shukla, all of you giving the right answer. Amazing. Okay, dear students, can you tell me how many 10 paisa coins? How many 10 paisa coins? G. Aman Saxena, right. If the question is what is 10 paisa coins, then what will be the answer? G. Priyarni Kumari, bilkul. Sharon 50. The 10 paisa coin, it is 2x. Okay, dear student, 10 paisa coin, it is 2x. So 2 into 50, the answer will be 100. Okay, so 10 paisa coin, it is 100. 25 paisa coins, it is 50. And the 5 paisa coin, it is how much? 150. Okay, excellent. जी इंडिया ओके ओके ठीक है ठीक जी पीयूष कुमार फर्स्ट ओके so India Tube, how the 3000 come? Actually, I converted everything into paisa. Okay, so this rupees 30, this was in this was in rupees. In paisa, okay, when we convert rupees into paisa, we have to multiply with 100. Okay, so that's why this 3000 come. Okay, that's why this 3000 come, right? Now I will give you one question of this type, dear students. All of you will give me the answer. Okay, either you convert everything into paisa or you convert everything into rupees. Okay, I'm checking your answers. All of you give me the answer of this. Let's see who give the answer first. Welcome India. अच्छा जाएगा पेपर, ग्रेट. ठीक है, मैं भी यही चाहती हूँ कि आपका पेपर जो है काफी अच्छा जाए. ओके, ठीक है, सभी पढ़ते रहो अच्छे से. सभी स्टूडेंट्स इस क्वेश्चन को ट्राई करें, है ना. मैं चाहती हूँ एक दो क्वेश्चन आप भी अपने हाथ से ट्राई करें, आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो जाए. ओके, ओके. शोभित कुमार 900. प्रशांत भारद्वाज. प्रशांत भारद्वाज, इसका जो आंसर है ना, जो पहला क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा, उसका आएगा कैन नॉट डिटरमाइन, है ना, क्योंकि हमें ये नहीं दे रखा कि 16 पार्टिसिपेंट जो लेफ्ट हुए उसमें से मेल कितने लेफ्ट हुए, फीमेल कितने लेफ्ट हुए. ओके, शोभित कुमार का आंसर आ रहा है जी. अराउंड बिल्कुल ठीक है ना, इसी टाइप के हमारे पेपर आएंगे क्वेश्चन में. मिश्रा प्रिंस, ऑप्शन बी. ओके, योर नेम इज भरत. ओके, अंशुमन यादव बी ऑप्शन. अभिषेक गुप्ता 900. दानिश 900. एक्सेलेंट, है ना, सभी ने आंसर दिया अच्छे से. एक्सेलेंट. चलिए स्टूडेंट्स, इसको हम डिस्कस करते हैं. टोटल हमारे पास कितना अमाउंट है? 600. ठीक है, टोटल अमाउंट कितना है 600। या तो सभी को पैसे में कर लो, इधर यू कैन कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू पैसा और यू कैन कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू रुपीस। ओके, so let me convert into paisa. Okay, so 6,000 means how many paisa? It is 60,000, right? Because we'll multiply with the 100, right? And we have 1 rupees coins. Okay, 1 rupees means 100 paisa. Okay, 1 rupees means 100 paisa, 50 paisa, and 25 paisa, right, dear students? And in which ratio? In which ratio? 3 ratio 4 ratio 12. Okay, so let me write here 3 ratio 4 ratio 12. So dear students, you can take this out of ratio. So it is 3x, okay, it is 4x, it is 12x, right? Now see, 100 paisa means 1 rupee. 100 paisa 3x coins, how much money it will make? ठीक है ना, आपके पास 100 पैसे के 3x coins हैं, तो टोटल कितना अमाउंट बनेगा? इट इज 300x. ओके, इट विल बी 300x, राइट? 100 into 3x, right, dear students? 50 paisa 4x coins. Okay, 50 paisa 4x coins. So dear students, how much money it will be overall? 50 into 4x. Okay, 50 into 4x means 200x, right? Plus 25 paisa 12x coins. Okay, 25 paisa 12x coins. So how much money it will be? 300x. Okay, and the overall it is 60,000, right? So dear student, you can see that double zero will be cancelled because it is common in all. So just cancel the double zero. Okay, so 3x 2x plus 3x, it will be 8x. 8x is equal to 600. So dear students, can you tell me if 8x is equal to 600, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? जी प्रशांत, एक ही क्वेश्चन है. If 8x is equal to 600, what is the value of x, dear student? After cancellation, 75. Okay, right, Manuddin, myself, Rishikesh, x is equal to 75. So dear student, actually the main motive is to find the x value. Okay, if x is 75, then 25 paisa coins, how much 25 paisa coin we have? 12x. Okay, so dear student, if x is 75, then what will be 12x? It is 12 into 75. Okay, 12 into 75, the answer is 900. Okay, right, Sumit Singh, Piyush Kumar, Priyarni. Okay, I hope this is clear to all. X is equal to 75, right? Okay, yes, actually I randomly see. So dear student, this is the questions. Let me recap what are the type of questions we have done. We have done combined ratio, we have done the questions which are based on PESA. Okay, these all are important questions. Okay, we have done the questions which are like finding the ratio. Okay, now let's move to the next type. Okay, I hope that this first PPT is clear to all. Now let's jump to the next PPT, and that is very, very important. Okay, that is very, very important. So let me just open the PPT. So dear students, all are ready for the second PPT. I will tell you the questions which are very important. Okay, important type of questions. So dear student, I will tell you about allegation. Yes, okay, allegation. So first of all, let me tell you the formula. Okay, this formula we will apply. This is the price of basically what is the meaning of allegation when you mix two things. Okay, like the shopkeeper mixed two varieties of rice. Okay, shopkeeper mixed two varieties of wheat. Okay, so when you mix two types, okay, and this is called allegation, right? So dear student, just see this formula and I will tell you with the help of example. Okay, let me take the example. Suppose this is the shopkeeper and this is the rice he is selling. Okay, The price of cheap quality rice, it is suppose 30 rupees per kg. Okay, first let me tell you the formula. It is 30 rupees per kg. And the price of the good quality rice, it is suppose 60 rupees per kg. Okay, now here you will write the price of first. Okay, and here you will write the price of second. Okay, and in the middle, dear student, in the middle you will write the price of mixture. Okay, suppose the price of mixture is 50. Got it? 50 rupees per kg. Okay, I'm just explaining you the formula because it is not no time for full explanation, so I'm just explaining you the formula. Okay, just try to understand. Okay, so this is the price of first quantity, this is the price of second quantity, and this is the price of mixture. Okay, so dear student, now what you will do, just subtract. Okay, 50 minus 30, you have to subtract like diagonally, right? 50 minus 30, it is 20. Okay, 60 minus 50, 60 minus 50, it is 10. So dear student, after the subtraction, what is the ratio coming? Okay, what is the ratio coming? It is 1:2, right? So what is this ratio? This is the ratio of quantity. Okay, what is this ratio? This is the ratio of quantity, that in which quantity these two rice mixed. Okay, 1:2, right? G Nitesh, uh, voice is not clear. Dear student, voice is clear? Clear? 1:2, right? Okay, so dear student, this is the alligation method. Okay, it is like the X form. Let me tell you here, this is the X form. This alligation method will use in the questions. Okay, everything is clear? Great, excellent. Now dear student, let's do the important questions on alligation. Okay, this is the first question. Okay, let's do all of you. Empire of LPU, clear? Great. A salesman mixed two varieties of tea. Okay, what is the cost of first variety? Rupees 30. Dear student, will apply the direct alligation method. Okay, no X, no Y, only alligation. So, what is the cost of first? It is 30. So you will write 30 here. Okay, what is the cost of second? It is rupees 60. So write 60 here. Okay, write 60 here. And we have to find that in what ratio these are mixed. Okay, and the mixture price is 44, right? So as I told you, the mixture price you will write in the middle. Okay, mixture price you will write in the middle, dear students. Now just take the difference. Okay, so 44 minus 30, dear students, 44 minus 30, it is 14. Okay, you have to take the positive difference. Okay, 60 minus 44, 60 minus 44, the answer is 16, right? So dear student, after cancellation, what is the answer? All of you giving the right answer, excellent. Piyush Kumar is the first. Okay, Rishikesh, Anshuman, Empire of LPU, Abhishek Shukla, Priyarni, Nitesh, all of you giving the right answer. Sandhya, Nitesh, excellent. Khushbu Sharma. Okay, amazing. So good, right? So answer is 8:7. Okay, so see, dear student, if in exam these type of question come, just apply the formula. Okay, just apply the formula. Let's do more question on this, right? Dear student, all of you try this question and tell me the answer. Let's see who gives the answer first. I'm checking your chats. Apply the formula directly. And I hope we all are enjoying this class. Okay. Apply the alligation method directly, and which option will be the right answer? Rishikesh. First answer given by Rishikesh, Rishabh. A option. Amazing. Piyush Kumar, second answer. Sumit Singh, third option. Abhishek Shukla, Vamsi, Prashant, Sandhya, excellent. Okay. Set Okay, excellent. Pari, प्रियारनी, मैनुद्दीन, है ना, कुछ नाम ना थोड़े डिफिकल्ट हैं, खुशी शर्मा, मोहित, एक्सलेंट, नितेश, खुशी शर्मा, ग्रेट, वेरी नाइस। चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं इसको। स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ फर्स्ट 15 रुपीज पर केजी? ओके, सो राइट 15 here. What is the price of second? It is 20. Okay, so write 20 here. And always in the middle you have to write the price of mixture. Okay, in the middle you have to write the price of mixture, so it is 16.50. Okay, so dear student, now just take the difference. Okay, just take the diagonal difference. What is the difference of 16.50 and 15? It is 1.5. Okay, what is the difference of 20 and 16.50? Okay, 20 and 16.50, it is 3.5. Okay, dear student, you can just cancel the point also because point is same. So 35 and 15, you can make it short, right? So after cancellation with 5, it is 3 and this is 7. So the answer is 7:3, right? G Mohit, option A. Answer is 7:3. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now students, let me tell you one thing. This is, what is this? This is the price per kg. Okay, what is this 20? This is also the price per kg. Okay, and what is this? This is the mixture price, okay, per kg. Now let's go to the next question, right? Now let's do some different. Okay, now see what is the change in this question. Here the selling price of mixture is given. Okay, in the previous question it was the cost price of mixture. Okay, because in the allegation, like if we are taking cp here, we are taking here cp, in the middle also we have to take the cp. Okay, the units should be same, right? But here the selling price is given and the profit is given. Okay, so first we have to find the cost price. Okay, so let me explain this question. I hope, yes. So what is the price of the first type of tea? It is rupees 60. Okay, so write 60 here. What is the price of second type of tea? It is 65. Write 65 here. Dear student, you will not write 68.20 in the middle because this is the selling price. We have to find the cost price. Okay, now in the audience, tell me if selling price is given. All of you tell me if the selling price is given, if the profit percentage is given, can you find the cost price? Dear students, वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है मिश्रा जी? यस सर, वॉइस क्लियर? वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज टेल मी. Okay, so we are getting the answer 62. Excellent. Okay, very nice, dear student. Let me tell you, if SP is given, if profit percentage is given, okay, then how we can find the cost price? So dear student, let me tell you the way to find the cost price. Okay, it is 100 upon, see, the profit is 10%. Okay, it means the selling price will be 110%. Okay, if the profit is 10% means selling price will be 110%. But in CP we have to reverse it. We have to take 100 by 110. Okay, into 68.20. Right, 100 upon 110 into SP. Basically this is the formula. Let me write here. Okay, let me tell you the basic formula of CP. It is 100 upon 100 plus profit percentage into SP. Okay, this is the general formula I'm telling you of finding CP. So here 100 upon the profit percentage is 10%. Okay, so 100 upon 110 into 68.20. So dear student, after the cancellation, okay, after the cancellation, what is the answer? It is 62. right? So this 62, this is the cost price. It's breaking. Okay, it's clear. Clear hai? Okay, Anshuman Yadav, it's clear. Okay, so now you will take the difference. Okay, now what is the difference? 62 minus 60, it is 2 here. 65 minus 62, it is 3 here. So dear student, what is the answer? It is 3:2. G. Priyarni, Anshuman, Mishra. What is the answer? Anshuman Yadav, option A, 3:2. Okay, let me tell you, this is very important question. Okay, because here the selling price is given and the profit percentage is given, and we have to find the cost price of mixture. Okay, 3:2, right? Khushi Sharma, 3:2, right? Priyarni, 3:2, excellent. Okay, any doubt in this question? Mishra Prince, 3:2, right? Now let me give you one question of this type, so that it will be, so that you also get clarity. Okay, and all of you try this question. Don't give up on this question. All of you must try this question. Right? So this topic allegation is very, very important. Okay. So don't skip this question. Just try to understand what you can do here. Empire of LPU 36. 36, great. Sandhya, option A. Very nice. Okay. So dear student, let me explain this question. It's very, very easy. Okay. Now, first is, what is the cost of first type of tea? It is 25 per kg. Okay. So let's write here 25. This is the first type of tea. Must be blended. Blended means mixed. Okay, the meaning of blended is mixed with 30 kg. See, this quantity is given. Okay, this quantity is given, and what is the price? It is 30 rupees per kg. Okay, so we have to write the price here. The price is 30 rupees. Okay, and the quantity is also 30 kg. So quantity is given. Quantity is 30 kg. Okay, now by selling the blended variety, see, this is the selling price of the mixture, and this is the gain. So dear student, in the chat box, tell me if selling price is 30, selling price of mixture is 30, and the profit percentage is 10%. Can anyone tell me what is the CP? Dear students, can anyone tell me what is the CP? I already tell you the formula. Okay, how to find the CP? Okay, 100 upon, what is the profit percentage here? It is 110 into 30. Okay, after applying the formula, dear student, what is the answer? 0 0 cancel. Okay, just write it in this form only. No, don't write in points. Okay, just write in this form. I hope this is clear to all. Myself 27.27, but I'm telling you to write in this form. Okay, this will be more easy for you. Okay, 300 by 11. Now just subtract this and this. Okay, subtract this, all of you. 300 by 11 minus 25. Dear student, what is the answer after subtraction? If you subtract these two, what is the answer? It is 25 by 11. Yes or no? Manuddin Mishra, 27.2. Kuchi. Yes. What is the answer? 25 by 11. And if you subtract these two, okay, 30 minus 300 by 11, if you subtract these two, dear student, what is the answer? Voice is breaking. Okay, please tell me, dear students, voice is fine or it's breaking? Ashley is saying voice is breaking. Please tell me, is it breaking? Okay, so please try to adjust. Maybe in between the network connection is okay. Fine, great. Kushi Sharma 30 by 11, excellent. Kushi Sharma 30 by 11. So the difference is 30 by 11. Okay, 30 minus 300 by 11. The difference is 30 by 11. So dear student, what is the ratio coming? 11 cancel. Okay, this you can also cancel, dear students. 11 cancel. So what is the final ratio? 6 ratio 5. Okay, so what is this ratio? This is the ratio of quantity. Okay, this is the ratio of quantity, which is 6 ratio 5. Now see, quantity of this is already given, 30 kg. Okay, the value of 5x is already given. Value of 5x is already given. It is 30. Can you tell me, if 5x is 30, what will be 6x? Okay, x will be 6 here. And what will be 6x? It will be 36. So the answer is option A. Right, Pari? Myself, A option. Thank you, Rishabh. Please tell me, dear student, is it clear? Priyarni 36. I hope all are doing this question on the copy also. Okay. So if this question will come in the exam, all of you will do this. Kushi Sharma 36, right? Okay. So what was the difference in this question? Here the quantity is also given. Okay. In the other questions, we are finding the just ratio. But here we have to find the quantity, actual quantity. Okay. So one quantity was given and we have to find the second. Okay. All clear? Excellent. Piyush Kumar, great. Now, dear students, we have to apply the alligation method here. Let me write here most important questions. Okay. Most important questions. Okay. We have to apply the alligation method here. So just listen. A man has 90 pence. Okay. Means the total quantity is 90. Okay. What is the total quantity? It is 90. He sells some of these at 15% profit and rest at 9%. And what is the overall profit? It is 11%. Okay. So dear students, will apply the alligation method here. Okay. So what is the profit on first? 15. So write 15 here. No need to write percentage. What is the profit on second? It is 9. So just write 9 here. Okay. And what is the overall profit? It is 11. So write 11 here. Okay. We are doing all the question with the alligation. Right? जी ऋषभ, ये क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में आते हैं. Okay. So what is the difference here? 15 minus 11, it is 4. Okay. 11 minus 9. What is 11 minus 9? It is 2. So dear student, can you tell me the ratio? Piyush Kumar, answer is there. Empire of LPU, answer is there. Dear student, what is the ratio coming? 1 ratio 2. Okay. Ratio coming, that is 1 ratio 2. Right? So dear student, overall we have 90 pence. We have to divide in this ratio. Okay, because this is the ratio of quantity. Okay, so we have to find how many pence did he sell at 9% profit. Okay, let me write here 1 ratio 2. So at 9% profit, it is 2 unit. Okay, it is 2 unit, and overall it is 3 unit. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, it is 3. So dear student, 2 by 3 of 90. Okay, why we write 3 here? Because overall it is 3, 2 plus 1. And why we multiply by 90? Because overall we have 90. Okay, so what is the answer? It is 60. G Charon, Pari, Sumit Singh, Kushi Sharma. Okay, Mishra, Sumit Singh, right? 60 option, right? तो 9% प्रॉफिट पे कितने पेन जो है वो बिके? दैट इज 60. ओके, if the question is 15% profit पे कितने हुए, if the question is 15% profit पे कितने हुए, the answer will be 30. Okay, why 30? Because what is the ratio of 15%? It is 1. So in that case, what you will do, 1 by 3 of 90. Dear students, 1 by 3 of 90. Okay, why 3? Because 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, it is 3. Okay, so the answer will be 30 if the question is 15%. Right, Anshuman Yadav, Priyarni. Okay, clear to all? Now I will give you one question of this type so that you can also practice with me. Right, dear students? So let me give you one question of this type. I hope all are ready. Try this question, all of you, with the same allegation approach. All of you try this. I will explain you after 2 minutes, okay? All clear, Piyush Kumar, Rishikesh, great. Okay, very good. कहीं से अगर दिक्कत भी आ रही हो, please tell me. I will repeat again. All dear students, try this question. No need to take X, Y, anything. Just apply the allegation method. Okay, we're getting the answers. Priyarni, great. Priyarni, very nice. Piyush Kumar, great. Excellent. Okay, Rishabh 15 answer, Bhavya 15, Sharon 15, myself 15. So many students giving the answer. Great. Excellent. Pari, D option. Okay, very nice. Excellent. Then Dhananjay, D option. Good. Let me explain now. Dear student, what is the total quantity? 25 kg. Okay. And the first part is sold at 4%. Okay, so write 4 here. We have to apply the allegation. Second part is sold at 9%. Okay, so write 9 here. And what is the overall gain? Overall, it is 7%. Okay. See, for the overall, for the mixture, we write in the middle. Okay, so in the middle, we write 7. After that, we have to subtract. Okay, 7 minus 4, it is 3. 9 minus 7, it is 2. So, dear student, what is the ratio? The ratio is 2:3. Okay, means the part which is sold at 4%, it is 2 unit. Okay, and the part which is sold at 9%, it is 3 unit. Right, and what is the overall price? It is 25 kg overall quantity. Okay, so we have to find for the 9%. So dear student, 9%, it is 3 unit. Okay, so what you will do, 3 by overall it is 5. Okay, 3 plus 2, overall it is 5. 3 by 5 of total, that is 25. So the answer is 15. G, next one. Kushi Sharma, Nitesh, Mishra, Prince, Abhishek Shukla. Yes, Rishikesh, it was easy. Okay, now it's clear to all, right? Now the next one is, see, now dear student, if we have loss, for loss we'll take negative sign. Okay, for profit we take just as it is, but for loss we take negative sign. Let's do this question. A man buys 2 cows of rupees 1350. Okay, so what is the total price here? 1350. And sells one for loss of 6% and other for gain. And what is the overall? Overall, it is neither gain nor loss. So what is the cost of each cow? Okay. So dear students, will apply the allegation method here. Okay. So the first one, he sell at a loss. So you will write -6. Okay, -6. Don't forget this point. For loss, always take minus. For the other, it is gain of 7.5. So write 7.5 here. Okay. And overall, it is neither gain nor loss. Means it is 0. Okay. Overall, it is 0. Right. So dear student, always you have to subtract bigger minus smaller. So here 0 is bigger, minus smaller. Okay. So it is 6 here. The difference is 6. and here 7.5 minus 0. Okay, 7.5 minus 0, it is 7.5, right? So after cancellation, you can write it as a 75 and this as 60. Why? We just multiply both by 10. Okay, now you can cancel with 15, it is 4 here and 5 here. Okay, so dear students, at a 6% loss, it is 5 unit because the ratio is 5:4. Okay, at 7.5% profit, it is 4 unit. Okay, so we have to find what is the price of each cow. What is the total price? 1350. Can you divide 1350 in 5:4? Dear students, G Sheikh, let me explain why 5 in the denominator. Not in the denominator. Sheikh, we just cancel with 15. Okay, because it was 7.5 here and 6 here. Okay, so we multiply by 10, it is 75 here and 60 here. Okay, after that we just cancel with 15 because on 15 both will be cancelled, so it is 5 here and 4 here. This is the final ratio, right Sheikh? This is the final ratio, means at 6% loss the price is 5 unit, at 7.5% profit the price is 4 unit. Okay, so dear student, what is the total price? 1350. So here what is the total? 9 unit. Okay, 5 plus 4. So you can write as 9x is this 1350. Okay, so what is the value of x? X will be 150. Okay, if x is 150, what will be 5x? It is 750. What will be 4x? It is 600. So answer is option C. Right Sheikh, Abhishek Tukla, Dhananjay, Anshuman, Rishikesh, Piyush Kumar, Sumit Singh, Sandhya. हाँ जी सर, हाँ जी सर, ओके ओके ठीक है सर. So dear students, I hope this is clear. फीडबैक के लिए वो शेयर कर दो, तो शेयर कर दो चैट पे. Okay. So dear students, let's move to the next question. Are you ready for the next question? Okay, all of you try this question. Clear? Try this question and tell me the answer in the chat box. All set? Great. Dear student, apply the alligation method in this question. For the loss, you will take minus sign. Okay, just find the ratio and divide that in that ratio. Okay, Abhishek Gupta, 100% clear? Great. So first I will wait for your answer. What will be your answer? Then I will explain. Okay. So myself answer is 20. Empire of LPU 20. Sandhya, option A, great. Mishra 20 answer. Rishabh 20. Dhananjay 20. Abhishek Shukla 20. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट, जो भी देख रहे हैं वीडियोस, एक बार लाइक भी कर दें वीडियो को. ओके, एक बार वीडियो को भी लाइक कर दें और चैनल भी सब्सक्राइब कर दें जिन्होंने नहीं किया हुआ है. ठीक है, क्योंकि इस पे आपकी सारी प्लेलिस्ट जो है बनी हुई है 305 की. ओके, यस हर्ष प्रताप, आई एम इन एलपीयू में हूँ. ठीक है ना, एलपीयू में आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं. पीछे आपको दिख रहा होगा ना, एलपीयू के फैन दिख रहे होंगे पीछे. राइट. Javed Ahmed 20 answers, Sai Vardhan 20, Kushi 10 आ रहा है आपका, ठीक है। पपाया पाई ए ऑप्शन, दानिश 20, बाविया कपूर ए ऑप्शन, जी हर्ष ऑलरेडी डन। थैंक्स अर्पित शर्मा, थैंक यू सो मच। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट, चलिए इस क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, फिर हम अगले टॉपिक के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो है वो डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है डियर स्टूडेंट्स। सो अ मर्चेंट हैज 25 kg ऑफ राइस, सो टोटल क्वांटिटी हमारे पास कितनी है 25। सम पार्ट ऑफ राइस ही सोल्ड एट 10% एंड द रिमेनिंग एट 5% लॉस। ओके, प्रॉफिट के लिए हमने नॉर्मल 10 ही लेना है, लॉस के लिए हम क्या लेते हैं माइनस, तो यहाँ पे -5 लिख देंगे। ओके, एंड द 7 जो है वो हमारे पास ओवरऑल है ना, 7% जो प्रॉफिट है वो ओवरऑल है ना, तो उसको बीच में लेंगे, बीच में लिखेंगे। ओके, अब हमने लेना है डिफरेंस। ओके, 10 - 7 डियर स्टूडेंट, 10 - 7 कितना होगा 3। ओके, अब देखिए यहां से ना कई बार बच्चे लिख देते हैं 7 - 5 2, ऐसे नहीं करना, ठीक है। आपने क्या करना, 7 में से, 7 बड़ा नंबर है, 7 में से माइनस करना है -5, तो ये माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना। पेपर में भी ऐसी गलती आपने नहीं करनी, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा डियर स्टूडेंट। तो हमारे पास रेशो क्या आएगी 4:1। ओके, हमारे पास डियर स्टूडेंट रेशो क्या आएगी 4:1। 10% प्रॉफिट पे कितना यूनिट है 4 यूनिट, 5% लॉस पे कितना यूनिट है 1 यूनिट। हमने 10% प्रॉफिट वाली क्वांटिटी निकालनी है, मतलब हमने इस 4 की वैल्यू निकालनी है डियर स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, तो कैसे निकालेंगे, 4 लिखेंगे ऊपर, डिवाइड बाय टोटल क्वांटिटी कितनी है 4 + 1, 4 + 1 5। ओके, एंड मल्टीप्लाई, टोटल हमारे पास कितने हैं 25 kg। ओके, थैंक यू प्रियारनी। टोटल हमारे पास कितने 25 kg, तो हमारे पास आंसर कितना आ चुका है 20 kg। ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सभी ने सही आंसर दिया, एक्सीलेंट, अमेजिंग, थैंक्स अर्पित शर्मा, प्रियारनी। ओके, ड्रॉन ऑप्शन ए। डियर स्टूडेंट, ये जो क्वेश्चंस हमने सारे किए हैं इसको अच्छे से आप एक बार कर लेना, राइट। ओके, कर दो, ठीक है। कैसा लग रहा है सभी को, थैंक्स हर्ष। अच्छा, लिंक क्यूआर कोड, क्यूआर कोड है मेरे साथ। ओके, बाद में कर देती हूँ। ओके, तो डियर स्टूडेंट एलिगेशन हमारा हो चुका है, अब एक मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो हमारे पास बचा है वो एक बार कर लेते हैं, ठीक है, जो काफी बार एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है दिस क्वेश्चन। ओके, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, मैं चाहती हूँ कि एक बार सभी इसको ट्राई करें। जी, एम्पायर ऑफ एलपीयू मैं जानती हूँ। डियर स्टूडेंट ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन, इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। उसके बाद आपको ये करवाया जाएगा ना, अच्छा मैं एक बार मेल चेक, सभी ट्राई करें। ओके, ठीक है, 1 मिनट के अंदर मैं आपके मैसेज देखती हूँ, आप तब तक ट्राई करें सभी क्वेश्चंस। चलिए देखते हैं किस किसने आंसर दिया है। ओके, 90 आंसर आ रहा है, परी, ऋषभ, साई वर्धन मिश्रा, अगर बाई चांस सॉरी ओके कई बार देखा नहीं जाता, खुशी शर्मा, मिश्रा, प्रियारनी, जी बिल्कुल प्रियारनी। ओके तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, खुशी शर्मा बी ऑप्शन। चलिए इसको डिस्कस करते हैं। हमारे पास इसके डिस्कस करने के काफी तरीके होते हैं, एलिगेशन से भी कर सकते हैं इसको। एक बार मैं आपको थोड़ा बेसिक से बता देती हूँ ना। तो देखिए हमारे पास रैबिट्स कितने हैं, हमारे पास जो जू है उसमें रैबिट्स हैं और पिजन्स हैं। इफ हेड्स आर काउंटेड दे आर 200, ठीक है। आप सभी जानते हैं कि जो रैबिट है उसके हेड कितने होते हैं, एक ही होता है। पिजन का जो हेड है वो भी कितना होता है, एक ही होता है ना। तो रैबिट के हेड को हम ले लेते हैं एक्स, है ना, और पिजन के जो हेड है उसको हम ले लेते हैं वाई। सो एक्स प्लस वाई हमारे पास टोटल हेड्स कितने हैं, 200, ठीक है। अगर मैं थोड़ा आपको बेसिक तरीके से समझाऊं तो एक्स प्लस वाई डियर स्टूडेंट हमारे पास कितना आ जाएगा, 200। ओके एक्स हमारे पास क्या है, रैबिट्स, और वाई हमारे पास क्या है, पिजन्स। ओके अब देखिए हमारे पास जो रैबिट है उसकी लेग्स कितनी होती हैं, 4। हर रैबिट की 4 लेग्स होती है ना, ईच रैबिट हैज 4 लेग्स। ओके so if we have x rabbits and each rabbit has 4 legs, it means number of legs will be 4x, yes or no? Plus how many legs pigeon has, it is 2. Okay we have y pigeons and each pigeon has 2 legs, so it will be 2y. Okay it will be 2y, so the number of legs will be 580. Okay so this is 580. Okay so this is x plus y is 200 and 4x plus 2y is 580. Okay यहाँ से you can cancel with 2, it will be 2x, ठीक है, this will be cancel and it is 290. Okay so if you cancel 2 in the second equation you will get 2x plus y is equal to 290, right? Now this is first equation, this is second equation. If you subtract these two, y and y cancel, 2x minus x is equal to 290 minus 200, 90. Okay so number of rabbits will be 90. Clear to all? Nitesh, right? Yes. Dear students, kindly fill the form. ठीक है यहाँ पे आपको लिंक आया होगा, प्लीज फिल दिस feedback form also. Okay Anshuman Yadav, 90 answer, right? Okay so the number of rabbits will be 90. The question is number of pigeons. Can you tell me the answer? If the question is find the number of pigeons, what will be the answer? 110. Yes. Charon, link is there. Sir, link. बच्चे लिंक बोल रहे 110, right? No link in chat. Okay, just wait. Mishra Prince Anshuman, right? Okay. So dear student, this was the allegation chapter. Okay. I hope this is clear to all. ठीक है सबको क्लियर है, प्लीज थम्स अप जिसको क्लियर हो चुका है। थोड़ा सा आइडिया दे देते हैं आपको अगले चैप्टर का भी। ओके जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट 2-3 सो दैट जी ऋषभ सर लिंक नहीं मिल रहा। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट विल टेक अ 2 minutes ब्रेक सो दैट आप भी थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो जाएं। ओके उसके बाद विल स्टार्ट दिस एजिस चैप्टर विच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। थैंक यू शेख। एजिस चैप्टर एंड पार्टनरशिप के 1-2 क्वेश्चन जो जिस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं, राइट, वो विल डिस्कस दैट। जी शेख विल डिस्कस दैट आल्सो। इस लिंक कौन सा नहीं लिंक नहीं आया। Dear students, sir will share you the link. Okay and till that time you can fill that link. Okay yes empire of link आया। मुझे भेजना। हाँ जी व्हाट्सएप पे। Yes, Empire of help you. Tomorrow we'll have the different sessions. Okay. Wait, I'm sharing you the link. All of you just open that. Okay. WhatsApp पे share करो. Okay, okay. So dear student, मनप्रीत कौर के नाम से लिंक आया होगा. Please check it. मनप्रीत कौर के नाम से लिंक आया होगा. Please open it and जो भी हमारा अभी सेशन है उसका फीडबैक आपने देना है. Okay. And after that we'll start the problem on ages. Yes, yes, Piyush and Rishabh, बिल्कुल. Dear student, it's a request to all. Please open the link and share your feedback. ठीक है? Of this session. कैसा रहा आपका ये session? उसका feedback एक बार दे दीजिए. Because we have to show in the department. Okay, let me pin. ठीक है? Pin कर देते हैं. Yes, so I pin the message. Dear student, now is it visible? आप दे दोगे? Dear student, now it's visible. थोड़ा सा फ्रेशमेंट के लिए तब तक आप लिंक को एक बार ओपन करो. Okay. After that, we'll start the next. Dear student, when you will fill the feedback, just tell me that it is done so that we can proceed further. Done, Empire of help you. Great. Sharon, done. ठीक है, आराम से आप फिल करो, उसके बाद हम स्टार्ट करते हैं आगे. Done. Okay. Done हो चुका है. Great, very nice. चलिए, so are you ready for the next problems? That is, first we'll do the problems on ages. ठीक है, ages पे किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन जो है आपको आने चाहिए. We'll discuss that. Okay, so are you ready for the chapters ages? Done. Good. 5-star rating. Thank you so much, Abhishek Shukla. Okay. So partnership को बाद में करते हैं. पहले जो ज्यादा important है उसको हम discuss करते हैं. That is ages. Okay. See. So dear student, I will tell you the 4-5 question with the basic approach also and with the short approach also. Which one is more clear? Okay. Which one will be more clear? Great, Rishikesh. Which one will be more clear that you can take, right? Ten minutes. What Empire of level view? Okay, Prayarni. Okay, so can we start? Okay, so the question here is, Kiran is younger than Binish. Okay. Uh, let's do this one. Okay. Yes. Okay. Kiran is younger than Binish by 7 years, and their ages in this ratio. Okay, 7:9. So here Kiran age is 7 and Binish age is 9. Okay. So dear student, you can take it as Kiran age, you can take it as 7x if you take out of the ratio, and the Binish age is 9x. Okay. You can see that this 7x is how much younger than 9x. 7x is how much smaller than 9x. It is 2x smaller. Okay. And actually, Kiran is how much smaller than Binish? 7. Right? So can you write like this? 2x is equal to 7. Okay. Can you write like this? 2x is equal to 7. Bilkul. So what is the value of x here, dear student? It will be 3.5. Okay. X will be 3.5. So if x is 3.5, what is the Kiran age? It is 7x. Okay. So 7 into 3.5. What is 7 into 3.5? Okay. Can you tell me what is 7 into 3.5? It is 24.5. Excellent. All. Mohit, B option. Priyarni, 2x. Thank you, Soham. And if the question is find the value of Binish, okay, then you will put here 9 into 3.5. Okay. What is 9 into 3.5? It is 27 plus 4.5. It is 31.5. Okay. Right, dear students. This chapter is very important. Don't miss any question. Now, dear student, next question is Mona and Vikas age is 9:10. Okay, let me write here. I'm taking M for Mona, and for Vikas, I'm taking V. What is their ratio? Age is 9:10. Okay. After 4 years, okay, after 4 years, the ratio is 11:12. Okay. First, let me explain you with the basic approach, then I will tell you with the short approach. Okay. So, dear student, Mona age you can take 9x. Okay. Vikas age you can take 10x. Because when you take out of the ratio, you have to take some variable. Okay. This is the present ages. Okay. After 4 years. Okay. See, for after 4 years, this will be plus 4. You have to add 4. Okay. And for Vikas also, you have to add 4. Right. After 4 years, the ratio is this. Okay. So can you write this is equal to 11/12? Dear student, can you write this after 4 years? This is equal to 11/12. Okay. Yes, Verma, I will explain today at 8 p.m. Okay. Now, if you cross multiply, dear student, now if you cross multiply, what is 12 into 9x? It is 108x. Okay. Plus 12 into 4, it is 48. Okay. 11 into 10x, it is 110x. 11 into 4, it is 44. So what is the value of x, dear students? It is 2x is equal to 4 and the x value will be 2. Okay. This I'm explaining with the basic method. Okay. So what is the Mona's age? It is 9x. Okay. If the x value is 2, if the x value is 2, right? Answer is 18. Okay. 9 into 2, answer is 18. Dear students. So this is by the full basic approach. Okay. See, for after 4 years, you have to add. For the future, you have to add. For the past, you have to subtract. Okay. Now let me explain the same question with the short approach. Okay. I hope basic is clear. Now let me explain the same question with the short approach also. Right. So dear student, here what is the ratio? 9. And after 4 years, what is the ratio? 11. Okay. We're talking Mona, right? It is 9 unit, and after 4 years, it is 11 unit. What is the increment? What is the increment here? 2 unit. From 9 to 11, what is the increment? 2 unit. Okay. What is the value of 2 unit? It is 4. Okay. Here it is Vikas, it is 10 years, 10 unit. And after 4 year, it is 12 unit. What is the increment? 2 unit. And 2 unit value is 4. If 2 unit value is 4, what is the value of 1 unit? It is 2. Okay. What is the value of 1 unit? It is 2. So if 1 unit is 2, what is the age of Mona? It is 9 unit. Okay. It is 9 unit. So 9 into 2. Answer will be 18. Okay. This is by the short approach. Clear to all? So student, tell me which approach is more clear to you, basic approach or short approach, so that we can do the next question with that approach. Okay. This is the unit method, right, Lakshay? Clear? Which approach is more clear, first or second? Done? ठीक है, एक बार बता दो कौन सा अप्रोच ज्यादा क्लियर है? शॉर्ट. ओके. ऑल ऑफ यू ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन. सभी स्टूडेंट ये क्वेश्चन ट्राई करें. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. फर्स्ट यू ट्राई. सेकंड वन अभिषेक शुक्ला. सेकंड वन शॉर्ट ज्यादा समझ आया है. ओके. रेशियो ऑफ राम एंड श्याम is 2:1. Okay, for Ram I'm taking R, for Sham I'm taking S. Okay. Their present age ratio is 2:1. Okay, 2:1. After 5 years means plus 5. After 5 years means plus 5. The ratio is 3:2. Okay, what is the ratio? It is 3:2. Dear student, if I tell you with the short approach, Ram initially it is 2 unit, and after 5 years it is 3 unit. Okay, what is the increment here? 1 unit. Dear student, what is the increment here? 1 unit. And what is the actual value? It is 5. 1 unit is 5 years. Okay. And what is the present age of both? Present means we have to find this ratio. Okay, 2 unit and 1 unit. So if 1 unit is 5, 2 unit will be 10. Okay. And here if 1 unit will be 5. So the answer is 10:5. Right, Ankit Yadav, Anshuman, Pari, Charon, Abhishek Shukla. Right. Right answer is Empire of LPU 10. Okay. So student, I explain this with the short approach. Okay. Rishikesh, A option, bilkul. And you can tie this with the basic approach also. Okay. D option. Not D option. Priyarni option is A. Sandhya, A option, right? Dear student, try this question. All of you try this question. Soham, A option. G, Piyush, next पे चले गए हैं. Okay. देखते हैं इसको हम कैसे करेंगे. फर्स्ट मैं चाहती हूँ आप थोड़ा सा इसको ट्राई करें. ओके. के बाद मैं आपको बेसिक से भी और जो हमारा दूसरा तरीका है उससे भी दोनों समझाएंगे आपको. ओके. एट प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ फादर इज 5 times द एज ऑफ सन. ओके. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, इफ आई टेल यू विद द बेसिक अप्रोच, द सन एज यू कैन टेक x. ओके. सन की एज आप क्या ले सकते हो? यू कैन टेक इट एज x. What will be father's age? It is 5 times. Okay. Father's age will be what? 5x. Right? 5 times. What times will multiply? Okay. 3 year hence. Dear student, what is the meaning of hence? Hence means after. Okay. After 3 years. So after 3 years, you will add 3 in the son also. You will add 3 in the father also. Okay, after 3 years, son will be x plus 3 and father will be 5x plus 3. Okay, after 3 years, father is 4 times the son. Okay, means the father age which is 5x plus 3. So can you write like this? 5x plus 3 is 4 times the x plus 3. Yes or no, dear students? 5x plus 3, father age is 4 times. 4 times means multiply. Okay, now can we find the value of x from this? 5x plus 3 is equal to 4x plus 12. Okay, so dear student, what is the value of x here? 9. Okay, so what is the present age of father? Dear student, this was the present age of son, this is the present age of father. Okay, so it is 5x. 5x means 5 into 9. 5 into 9 means 45, right? Excellent. Lakshay, Piyush, Abhishek, Chupla, Khushi, Mishra, Empire of Piyush, Soham, Sandhya. Okay, all of you giving the right answer. Clear to all? Anshuman 45, Charon 45, Anshuman Yadav, Khushi. Clear to all, dear students? Okay, now let me ask one question. अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन आपको एग्जाम में दिखता है डियर स्टूडेंट, सभी कर पाएंगे? यस और नो? अच्छा, एक्स चली गई. ओके, टेल मी यस और नो, अगर ऐसे क्वेश्चन आपको एग्जाम में दिखता है सेम, आर यू एबल टू डू? क्लियर? ग्रेट. चलिए कुछ और क्वेश्चंस कर लेते हैं. लेट्स ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन. डियर स्टूडेंट, एक बार आप ट्राई करना. यस, वेरी नाइस. ओके जी, ग्रेट. डियर स्टूडेंट, इस क्वेश्चन को ट्राई करना. आफ्टर 1 मिनट आई विल एक्सप्लेन दिस. ठीक है, 15 क्वेश्चन इस यूनिट में से आएंगे. जो यूनिट हमने किया है अभी 15 क्वेश्चंस है ना. अगर 15 क्वेश्चंस आप देखो तो 45 में से 15 की वेटेज क्या है? 1/3. ओके, मतलब ये अगर आप अच्छे से पूरा कर लेते हो कंप्लीट, 33.33% आपको इसी से आएंगे. ओके, इसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए यूनिट 4 आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं आज. ओके, तो लाइक कर दें वीडियो. ओके, ओके डियर स्टूडेंट, 10 मार्क्स का आएगा यूनिट 4, क्योंकि टोटल हमारे पास 45 क्वेश्चन है ना. सो इसका आंसर बताएं सभी. 10 इयर्स आ रहा है. एम्पायर ऑफ हेल्प यू 10 इयर्स. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. पीयूष कुमार 10 आंसर. सेशन के लास्ट में ना थोड़ा सा मैं आपको वेटेज भी बता दूंगी किस यूनिट से कितना आना है, तो लास्ट तक जुड़े रहें. ओके, थोड़ा स्ट्रेटजी डिस्कस करेंगे, टिप्स वगैरह भी डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके पीयूष जी, चरण लास्ट थोड़ा सा वेट कर लें, 2-3 क्वेश्चन के बाद आपको बताते हैं. ओके, चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को. डियर स्टूडेंट, कैसे होगा ये क्वेश्चन? देखिए, 1 ईयर अगो. ठीक है, देखो इस क्वेश्चन में डिफरेंस क्या है. जो पुराने हमारे पास क्वेश्चन थे उसमें प्रेजेंट एज दे रखी थी. ठीक है ना, इसमें क्या है? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस इन दिस क्वेश्चन? 1 year ago the ratio of honey and pH age is 2:3. Okay, so this 2:3, right, dear student, this 2:3, this is the age 1 year ago. Okay, 1 year ago, right? And after 5 years, okay, after 5 years the ratio is 4:5. Okay, now tell me one thing. From the past 1 year, okay, from the past 1 year you are moving to after 5 years. So what is the gap of years? ठीक है, जो सालों के बीच में गैप आ रहा है वो कितना? 6 साल का. ठीक है ना, 6 का कैसे? क्योंकि हम प्रेजेंट से नहीं उसको कंसीडर कर रहे. वी आर कंसीडरिंग इट फ्रॉम पास्ट 1 ईयर. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई द गैप इज 6 years है ना. इस चीज को आसानी थोड़ा समझ लेना ठीक से. ओके, नाउ कैन यू टेक इट एज 2x? Okay, honey age, can you take it as 2x? And the piyush age, can you take it as 3x? Okay, Now this 2x and 3x, this is the age 1 year ago. Okay, this is the age 1 year ago, right? And this 4:5, this is the age after 5 years. Okay, this is the age after 5 years. Means we have to add 6. Okay, for after 5 years, dear students, we have to add 6. Okay, and this is equal to 4/5. Okay, if I tell you with the basic approach, this is equal to 4/5. Okay, right, Soham? So this point must be clear that why I add 6. Okay, now you just cross multiply and just find the value of x. Okay, let's do it. It is 10x plus 30 is equal to 12x plus 24. Okay, if you solve this, x is equal to 3. Okay, what is the value of x? Is equal to 3. How old is Piyush? The question is, how old is Piyush? Okay, so Piyush, it is 3x. 3x means it is 9. But this 9, this is 1 year ago. Okay, this is 1 year ago. So today it will be 10 years. Option C. Right, Om Sai Nandan? Okay. Abhishek Shukla, C answer, right? Is it clear to all? Because this 3x, this is 1 year ago. Okay, so we have to add 1. So 9 plus 1, answer is 10. रोशनी कुमारी 10 आंसर आएगा हमारे पास, क्योंकि प्लीज चेक इट. नितेश, आंसर विल बी 10 बिकॉज x इज इक्वल टू 3 ना. प्लीज चेक इट, एक बार चेक कर लें इसको. x इज 3. Okay, this is clear to all. Now this last question on ratio. Okay, let's see this last question on ratio. Let me explain. The student, the question is 10 years ago. Okay, 10 years ago, the age of mother was 3 times the age of son. Right? So let's take son age x. Okay, son की age आप क्या ले सकते हो? You can take it as x. And the mother age is 3 times. Okay, so dear student, what will be mother age? It will be 3x. This is 10 years ago. This is not the present. This is 10 years ago. And after 10 years, okay, after 10 years, mother's age will be twice the age of son. Okay, so dear student, this question is of same type like we did the previous, right? From past 10 years, we are going to the after 10 years. Can you tell me what is the gap of years? Okay, what is the gap of years? Dear students, can you tell me what is the gap of year? It is 20 years gap. Okay, it is 20 years gap. Right? Why? Because from 10 years ago, you are going to after 10 years. Okay, from 10 years ago, you are going to after 10 years. So it is 20 years gap. Okay, so can I write 20 here? Okay, x plus 20 and 3x plus 20. Right? So this is the son age after 10 years. This is the son age after 10 years. Okay, we are considering it from 10 years ago. That's why we add 20. Okay, so mother age will be twice. So mother age means 3x plus 20. Okay, 3x plus 20 will be twice of x plus 20. Okay, so dear student, what is the value of x here? What is the value of x here? X will be 20. Okay, x will be 20. So find the ratio of their present ages, right? So this x is 20 and this is the 10 years ago. So present it will be 30. Okay, present it will be 30. Mother's age, it is 3x. 3x means 60, and 60 plus 10, it will be 70. So answer is 7:3. Okay, D option, right? Yes Pari, आपने क्वेश्चन क्या किया था? 2x minus 1 plus 6. 7:3. Okay, any doubt in this question? Is it clear to all? D answer, right? Okay, let me explain again. Right? See, the sun age, we have taken X. Okay, the sun age, and this X is taken 10 years ago. Okay, this X is taken the age of sun 10 years ago, right? And the mother age 3x. Mother age 3x. This was taken mother's age, and that is 10 years ago. Okay. Now, dear student, the question is after 10 years. Now you have to see the gap of years. From 10 years past, you are going to 10 years future. So what is the gap of years? It is 20. Yes or no? 10 plus 10, it is 20. That's why I add 20 in both. Okay, x plus 20 and 3x plus 20. Right, dear students? And the mother age will be twice. Mother age, that is 3x plus 20, that is twice the sun age, that is x plus 20. Okay, so the answer is 20 here. Okay, after calculating this, x value will be 20. Okay, so dear student, if x is 20, what is the present age of sun? Okay, this x was the age 10 years ago, so we have to add 10. Okay, we have to add 10, so 20 plus 10, present age of sun is 30. Okay, what is the present age of mother? It is 3 into 20, 60. This is the 10 years ago. Okay, so you have to add 10 for the present, so answer is 70:30. Clear, Hari? Anshuman Yadav, it's clear? Okay, now dear students, थोड़ा सा आपको मैं वेटेज बता दूं, उसके बाद एक दो क्वेश्चन जो हमारा मिक्सचर है, ठीक है ना, उसके कर लेंगे. एक बार मुझे बता दें ये सब क्लियर है एक बार, राइट? ओके, तो डियर स्टूडेंट, इस बार काफी स्टूडेंट्स को क्योंकि कंफ्यूजन होती है कि कितने क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं, है ना, काफी स्टूडेंट को नहीं पता होता, तो थोड़ा सा मैं ब्रीफ कर दूं उस बारे में, उसके बाद हम थोड़ा सा, राइट? तो डियर स्टूडेंट, आपके 45 क्वेश्चन आएंगे, ठीक है ना, 45 क्वेश्चन आपके आएंगे. टाइम कितना होगा इसमें? 90 मिनट्स, राइट? 90 मिनट्स का टाइम होगा इसमें, मतलब कि अगर आप ऑनलाइन पेपर देते हो तो एक क्वेश्चन के लिए आपको कितना टाइम मिलेगा? 2 मिनट. ओके, फॉर वन क्वेश्चन 2 मिनट का टाइम आपके पास होगा, राइट? यस. यूनिट 1 2 3 ध्यान से सुने. यूनिट 1 2 3, द फर्स्ट 3 यूनिट you will get overall 15 question. Okay, 5 question from each unit, and the unit 3 4 5 6. Okay, last 3 unit 4 5 6, the overall question will be 30, means 10 question from each unit, right? Means you can say the weightage of last 3 unit is double. Okay, means first you have to do this unit 5 4 5 6, because the weightage is double, right? Is it clear? 15 plus 30 जो है, the total question is 45. Okay, clear to all? Any doubt in this? ठीक है, तो जो अभी हम चैप्टर जो कर रहे हैं, दैट इज यूनिट 4, मतलब इसमें से आपके 10 क्वेश्चन आएंगे. ओके, राइट? हाँ, ओके. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, आई होप आज का जो लेक्चर है वो सबको क्लियर हुआ है, ठीक है ना? सार्कास्टिक गेमिंग क्लियर. जिन्होंने फीडबैक फॉर्म नहीं भरा, एक बार फीडबैक फॉर्म भर दें. ओके, और ठीक है, और कोई टॉपिक आपको लगे कि टफ लग रहा है, जो कुछ लग रहा है, तो हम आज रात को 8 बजे 7-8 बजे क्लास ले लेंगे, ठीक है? जैसे कि यूनिट 6 जो है उसकी वेटेज काफी ज्यादा है, ठीक है ना? यूनिट 6 में हमारे पास ब्लड रिलेशन, और डायरेक्शन, ठीक है, ब्लड रिलेशन और डायरेक्शन। क्लियर? शुभ लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चन जो है वो हमारे पास लाइक इजी टू मीडियम रहेगा, जैसे हम क्लास में पढ़ते हैं, जैसे अभी मैंने आपको क्वेश्चंस कराए इसी टाइप का जो लेवल है वो होगा, राइट? ओके, सो थैंक यू ऑल। अंशुन, पार्टनरशिप के क्वेश्चन आप खुद ट्राई करना। ओके, सो यस, आई एम टेलिंग यू कि यूनिट 5 एंड 6, ठीक है, अगर आप चाहते हो तो यूनिट 5 एंड 6 आज रात जो है 8 से 10 है ना, 8 से 10 जो है आप रिवीजन करवा सकते हैं। टेल मी इफ यू वांट। पीयूष कुमार, मिक्सचर के क्वेश्चन, ठीक है, बाकी जो क्वेश्चन हमारे रह गए हैं अभी आप थोड़ा जितना हमने किया है ना इतना रिवाइज कर लो, ठीक है, 8 PM मिलेंगे रात को। बाकी जो हमारा सिलेबस रह गया उसको हम कवर करेंगे 8 बजे। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स? जी हाँ, अभिषेक शुक्ला इन्वेस्टमेंट वाले क्वेश्चन जो है वो हम करेंगे, राइट? जी शिवम मिश्रा, एक बार टाइम नोट कर लो, 8 PM टू नाइट, यूनिट 5 एंड 6, और जो भी आपकी बाकी डाउट्स होंगे वो सारे डाउट्स एक बार ले लेंगे, ठीक है? थैंक यू ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, बाय बाय टू ऑल, टेक केयर, ठीक है, आई होप आपको क्लैरिटी हुई होगी आज के सेशन की, ठीक है, मिलते हैं फिर आज रात को 8 बजे। लिंक एम्पायर ऑफ एलपीयू, आप एक बार जो है जो हमारा चैनल है ना विद्याश्री 9, इस पे एक बार आप आ जाना, ठीक है ना, सभी सब्सक्राइब कर ले चैनल को, ऑल ऑफ यू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल सो दैट आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए कि हमारी जो क्लास है रात को जो 8 बजे हमारी जो क्लास चलेगी उसमें सभी इंपॉर्टेंट टाइप्स के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, ठीक है, यूनिट 5 6 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर्स, ठीक है, वो आपको करवा दिए जाएंगे। तो आप एक बार चैनल पे आ जाना, आपको पता लग जाएगा। जी अभिषेक शुक्ला, उसमें सब कुछ हो जाएगा। ओके, लिंक मिश्रा प्रिंस, लिंक जो है आपको चैनल पे मिल जाएगा। ओके, तो डियर स्टूडेंट अभी थोड़ा सा आप ब्रेक लो अच्छे से, जो है कुछ खा पी लो, ओके, और फिर जो हमने अभी तक पढ़ा है, सुबह पढ़ा है और अभी जो पढ़ा है उसको एक बार अच्छे से देख लो। ओके, थैंक यू शेख, थैंक यू एवरीवन। इन्वेस्टमेंट वाले क्वेश्चन भी कर लेंगे हम। ओके, और जो आपकी डाउट्स भी होगी ना वो भी आप पूछ लेना, ठीक है ना, वो भी पूछ लेना, ठीक है स्टूडेंट, तो करते हैं क्लोज, ठीक है, बहुत मजा आया आपको पढ़ा के, और मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सबका पेपर जो है अच्छा हो जाए, ठीक है, चलिए बाय बाय टू ऑल, स्टे हैप्पी एंड मिलते हैं रात को 8 बजे। ओके।